Good afternoon, Agrees.
Good afternoon. Here. How are you?
Masters, we're studying. Don't I told you?
Me.
Yes.
So long there. Church keep on Sunday. And you can't see a yard. Eh? You can't see a yard, you come a man yard, come have prayer meeting.
You can't lower your voice.
What do you mean lower my voice?
You're a church man. Be respectful. We in a pastor, yeah. Stop embarrass me.
Mary, me your husband.
Stop embarrass me.
Mary, me your
I
husband.
say stop embarrass me.
Mary, me your husband and you come, you mean to tell me say you come over here, can mango come give pastor. And mango, pastor tell us say short a mango. Look for the mango them.
I'm doing Bible studies. So you can't what's happening? Lower your voice.
Is the pig them Miss Clark take the mango them and feed you know. Them no want no nothing.
So we are be so we there. What you want to say? You grudge pastor?
Grudge? Mary, I mean I work money and I carry in the house and you go take me same money when me they work. Go buy things, go give pastor and me there so where they work. You never can nothing come give me yet. At Easter now anything can a bun and cheese come give me. Yeah they can man go come give pastor. Look how you dress. One time look how you dress. You dress up nice.
It's Bible study. Lower your voice, Donovan. Donovan, lower your voice. It's Bible. So me not just appropriately to the people them place.
Mary, no make me get out of my spirit, man. No make me lose my character today.
Be respectful. Remember me make you get the job. Be respectful.
Alright, you're gonna prayer meeting now. What time are they come home?
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Me already fix your dinner. It's on the table. You must thank God, not me, because me tired to do everything.
Mary, every time you go past a prayer meeting.
Lower your voice, Donovan. Donovan, lower your voice. I represent the church and you represent the church. I'm a God saint.
Alright, Mary, me go see what time they come home.
Sister, come in. Just push the grill and come. How you doing? Are those lovely mangoes for me?
Yes, just get them from the market.
Okay. All right, come in. Wow. All right, cool.
No cemetery dong yang mangga Papa Father. We can't go Papa Father because if we go up there, Daddy got that beat up. Mommy wanna go up there. So that way, so we have to stay up with Grandma. So we getting Daddy love we. Boy, me no know. If we go down there, then I go fight. You know what? Go to go and watch your TV. Okay. You know, say Grandma don't want this about them else, right? Yeah.
Come on, baby, try to win. After the money's spent, come join me on the losing side. That's where all the love is. I'm staring up at the sky, dreaming about the losing side. That's where all the love.
Evelyn, I'm leaving now.
Mary.
I go down to hot up the food.
Yeah, man, but I heard some noise coming from up there. That's all gonna behave when time when I have Bible study?
Anointed by the man of God when he's working. when he's working
Why? Me I tell him.
in spirit and in truth. Man of God, Donovan, listen.
Me,
They're working well.
me don't hear me here. Get something them.
Yes, anointed by the blood, the blood.
All right.
So I'm going home. I'm gonna hot up the food.
All right. My soul come.
Yes, bye.
So hold on. The way so me can get.
I'm tired. Donovan, I'm very tired. You know, at night, man.
So me understand.
Donovan, I will see you at home.
So say me tell me so me can't get none. You deal with him with the bag them. Jesus. Why? You know, oh, me want so happy. Married to you. Boy, oh boy.
I'm sure bringing that bag is no burden to you.
Boy.
You behave as if I am more of a burden to you than the bag.
You know, say, me don't know what's wrong with you. Because you see me I struggle with the bag. You not even help me to carry the bag. Me struggle come up here. Me come in and hear you now. Eh?
Honey, can you at least stop arguing? Like, it's nothing to argue about. There's no need for you to be arguing right now. You should be more focused on getting this place cleaned up.
The place. I go clean up. But you have to see where we need a helper. I going to need somebody out the door now, because I can't do hard work. There's so much things to do in the yard. You see the place stand? Eh? We need to get one groundsman or something to manage the place, man.
We don't need all that. Us together, we can get the place cleaned up. I don't think we need I don't think we need a house help. We don't need a gardener. Yes, you do need somebody to clean up the place or do some landscaping outside, but I don't think we need a helper inside the house.
You I don't know in the yard. You know wash. You know cook. You know clean. All you do is get up and look pretty every day. And that me tired of right now. That's all I do in the house, you know. Me not even get little something or nothing again. Eh?
Clark, stop. Because all this is not necessary. You argue in the car, come up, like,
So I me love argue. I me have problem.
listen, I did not get married to start any sort of argument or to live in any sort of misery. We did not sign up for this.
You're there 4 feet from me. You're right now you're too close to me too, you know.
Why are you so dark? I don't even know how to describe your actions right now. Like, what is wrong with you?
This.
Can you-
This year. We need one helper and we need a groundsman. That you lose
Okay.
focus, you know.
Okay.
You go start cleaning the place. Go and get the broom and him up and start sort out the place, man. It's dusty now, man. Cheese and peace.
Clark, okay, fine. We will get the helper and we will get the gardener.
So,
I-
where we are going to find him now?
I don't know. Ask somebody. Ask your father. Ask somebody. They know people around here. Remember, I don't know anybody here. So try to get somebody or see if you can go on some website or something to see if you can find somebody that's close by. I don't know. Ask your father. He knows people. He's a member of the church. He has a church. He must be able to find somebody who wants a job. Like, how do I know where to find a helper? Come on, Clark. Come on.
All right, see you. Me I go find a yard man and you find a housekeeper. Fear? That don't make sense.
Ask your father to get someone.
Yeah, me I'll talk to him. Come on, me I'll check him so. Must can find somebody up at church who want to work, man.
And can you at least stop being so miserable.
Stop with myself. See,
Clark,
yes, I'm miserable.
not-
Me miserable. You tell me something miserable.
That's
You call me miserable. You see, women we married. Eh? After 10 years, I still this. You look like you're confused, you know.
you know
You know what? Make it on, make it on. You're still my wife. You're still Mrs. Clark. All when we're 4 feet apart. All right, me go call daddy, yeah, man. Here, go and clean up your place or something. Make yourself useful, man. Come on, go dinner tonight, no?
Clark.
Me feel little curry chicken and white rice.
Listen,
Little bit of vegetable. Cause me I watch my diet, you know. I watch my diet, cause I must say, I feel look good out the road. You know, I look good out the road.
Clark, act right.
So no, me not act right.
Act right.
Everything is an argument. Look how me just talk nice to you. Me say cook dinner
right.
and watch her again. Mrs. Clark, I tell you what. I'm going to find the yard man because we're going to get the work done here. You hear, honey?
Call to find out how Alora doing because
Yeah, cause when I go for her later. I'm keeping time with the girl a little longer, man. I want a little peace in my life. I'm tired, you know. This is a heavy bag. Where you put it in it?
Alora is no issue around the house.
Eh?
Aria is
So never say she had no issue. Me just say. iPhone ring.
let it stay.
Yeah, but me just say a little peace, huh? And then come we have a little daddy and me time and thing. Right, Mrs. Clark?
I'm gonna get myself freshened up.
See there, gonna look pretty again. Me just talk to you about it, you know.
Clark, I'm tired.
You know, see yourself. Now get you a big old mirror in the living room so as you walk, you see yourself.
Ring a rosy, people are rosy. Asha, yourself down.
What you not doing outside?
Playing.
Didn't I tell you not? You guys must stay in the house?
Yes.
Huh? So what are you doing out here? Huh?
Nothing.
One of these days, you know, I couldn't open and go and carry and go get an appearance, you know. Because when it was sweet, you know, me never in a hit and no peer problem with you know. Look here. Me talk to you already and me talk to you again. Stay in the house. Okay?
Yes.
You know, so they might take with me. And they might take them kidney. They might take their liver and their heart. Me say you must stay inside and lock the grill. Okay? One of these days.
Okay. You know, sir, what my grandma did so. Me not know why she stay so. Cause maybe we are playing Ring a Rosy and she's talking to it, that's why.
Alright, can we just go inside?
I'm not the grill.
What? Look here. You have me pick these and you have them there withering and you didn't cook them. You see them spoiling.
I think too much chemicals is on these because they don't even have a worm bite on it, so that's why I leave them there.
It's a total waste, man. Nothing is wrong with them, man. You know me love callaloo already, man. Anyway.
Well, I'll soak it and wash it off properly and see what we can get from it.
Okay. All right, so you ready to proceed now? All right, so chapter 11 here says, but King Solomon loved many strange women. You understand? Together with the daughter of Pharaoh, women of Moabites, Ammonites, Edomites. What? King Solomon in here have a list here, man. And stuff. Other nations concerning, I tell you. And they say him have what? 700 wives and 300 concubines. Why is that case?
Yes, it is. But those were in the days of old then, before Christ came.
I mean, you know. So what happened now? I mean, suppose it was now. What would happen? What would the class in?
Those are things of the past. But it only recorded to show you what was happening before.
So this Solomon chap here is why is quite something hungry with the ladies, you know, and stuff.
Then you know hear about brother Warren. Him having an affair with one of the church sisters.
What?
Yes, and it gone all over. A lot of persons know about it. So we can't have it like that going on. We have to bring him up and talk with him.
But why didn't you hear about that?
Well, I'm just telling you. I just heard about it when I'm telling you about it.
So hold on there. Deacon is having an affair in my church?
Yes.
And you sure about that?
Yes. It is all over. All the members them having gossips about it.
What you saying to me?
We were the last person to know.
We're always the last to know because all them things happen around the church, you know, and stuff. The deacon with the... No, I would really like to know who him having an affair with. You know?
Not quite. I just hear the church sister, but then we have to deal with him and find out what is going on.
But those things are not right. That he should have been setting examples.
Yes.
Why would he?
He are one of the leaders in the church, and then he's going on with that. Then what you leave the members to do, or the people, no, you won't have people coming into church to worship.
Right. I mean, they just coming like a plaything, man. Him take
Yes.
the church a plaything. No, man, we cannot have something like that in the church under we nose.
Right there.
And no, that is not right. We're going to have to bring him up on that one.
Yes.
In my church?
Talk to him about it.
But that is strange. But I spoke with him the other day and he sounds like, you know, and normally he'd come to me and he would tell me things, but...
Yeah, but how would he tell you things about himself?
Yeah, that makes sense.
You'd have him telling you things about himself, and they'll tell you about other persons.
Anyway, I'm going to have a serious talk.
We have to.
Because my church is not a little playpen. I won't allow that. I cannot allow that. That is not right. You know?
Not right before God and man.
Right. And I run a decent church.
Definitely.
Right. So none of that. It can't work. It can't work. We have to go replace him. Put him, I don't know. We have to go find.
You can't put him out like that. Put him at the back, let him sit down, and then we have to counsel him, have Bible study with them, let them understand.
Okay, but when that sound there, that sound like a Jason playing that loud music.
Yes.
I keep telling him not to come in the place like that because we have neighbors.
Daddy.
Jason.
Oh, go on.
Jason.
Hello.
Why you come in the place like that, son? The noise.
I mean,
Weren't you playing the loud music just now?
but Daddy, them song they are running place and all, man. Here I talk about. Eh? Daddy have a halico vibes, man. Huh? You want to hear to Bob Marley?
Where him get this from?
Eh?
Where him get this from? Certainly not me. Certainly not me.
No, Daddy, you never so soft back in the days. I can't tell me that. Are you me get it from?
Anyway, what brings you here?
Daddy, you know, a movie in you know a new place. And there's a movie in. And you need a little bit of work around the place. Somewhere I think about a gardener.
You need a gardener?
Yeah, man, we need a gardener, man, because all power work need to do around the place now. I don't have the time right now, Daddy, you know.
Well, we have a lot of people around who can shop around, and that is least, man. You want somebody to see up the yard and them stuff and thing and stuff and get things in.
Reliable. We need a
Yeah, man,
reliable.
man. You know, so that's our middle name.
Yeah, and we need a housekeeper too.
That's the least.
Yeah,
That's the least.
yeah, a nice housekeeper.
Look what my son.
Boy,
Need housekeeper, I didn't need.
look at man, a nice housekeeper, and a gardener, you know.
That we have to live the life.
So,
Try anymore now.
yeah, look at you. You need garden, you need
The
housekeeper.
burden off us now.
Oh.
Guys, leave to him now for set.
Oh my God. No, you can't believe it. Look at our son. Look at our son. So that's all you want, you know? I mean, you know?
No, you know.
What happened now?
You know, say, want to talk to you about something, daddy.
Make sure, say, how the money you want, you know? And you can't help you.
All right, let me leave them in them to talk, and then
I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon.
all right, all right.
All right, mommy.
Yes.
Why?
What happened now?
Why, daddy? Not to go on a yard, you know.
What do you mean nothing's happening? I don't understand it.
Not go on no, man.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Be clear.
My wife is not playing her wifely duties.
As if she's not cleaning the house, she's not making your dinner, she's not what? You have to be precise. I don't understand you.
She do little here and there, you know, when she feel like she cook, when she feel like she clean. So that's why I really need a helper. But we need to keep the place in the order. And
So if you're going to get a helper to do all of that chores, what is she going to do?
hopefully she'll be a wife.
See, you're here talking to me, but you're not being clear. What is the problem, son? What is the problem? You can't talk to me now. You're a big man now, you know. You're a grown
of
person.
course, me a big man, daddy.
So you can't.
Me a whole a reason with you, now, daddy.
Yes,
That
but
make you know, you know.
you can't talk to me about anything. Just get out the clear. What exactly? What is it?
She a whole out for me, now, daddy.
Sexually?
Eh? Yeah, man. You see all the laugh and all that.
No. Listen to me.
That's why I never want to tell you nothing.
No. This is serious, but at least probably you wouldn't understand the cause, you know, certain situation. But you see, my son come up now. His wife holding out on him.
Yeah.
I mean, she's not as me can tell you, you know, actually have some women that, you know, after they conceive, you know, sex is not, you know, they don't not driven by sex, and you know.
Daddy, me driven every day.
And yeah, you're a male, and I understand that you have needs, but you have to be careful. You have to. Is there a reason you think?
Daddy, me don't know, you know, right now. It look like she needs some help. So me go find some help for her too.
What you mean find help?
Somebody to help her out.
No. Definitely no. We're not into that. No. We don't teach her that. That is something that we don't do. We don't cheat.
Daddy, nobody not cheat. Daddy, I don't use that word, them man.
No, but that's exactly what you're telling me.
Daddy, no, me never say so.
No, we're not into that. Definitely. No.
Daddy, that's a little help she I get from the side. Make sure some mental space, alright, you know?
You want to mash up your marriage, sir?
Yeah. Marriage not mash up, daddy.
So why you don't find out what exactly is the problem? There may be a problem. Have you spoken to her?
Yeah.
And what happened? She don't decide to.
No. Well, daddy, you know, a month now, you know?
What? Months?
You see, I laugh again like a
I'm
joke.
surprised when you don't turn up pillar salt. A month?
That you know, me sad. I sad, you know.
Anyway, let's turn serious things into joke.
Yeah.
But actually, no, months is serious. But I don't condone cheating. So
No.
I don't know.
Black men don't cheat, daddy. What are you talking about?
Where you get them talk there from? So,
I'm not talking facts. You cheat, daddy.
you're crazy. Look at me.
I see that.
No. I would never.
Like
No,
father, like
no.
son. I don't cheat either.
Okay. Well, keep that in mind. Make sure that you go and try work out something with your wife, talk to her, tell her how you feel. If she don't change, you know, you take it from there, but you can't just, you know, get up and decide that, boy, you're gonna. No. You know, this family, you know, strong values and stuff. We don't deal with that. So you're gonna have to try and talk to her a little more and fix that problem before you not even think about that. How could you? Don't even think about that. All right?
Okay, sir.
Daddy attack, you attack.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
I don't think next time we have this conversation, then make sure something positive I hear. All right?
I just take what they lie, man, cause
You know how hard is it for me? Look here, man. Look, listen, boss. Just put my back. Isn't that enough? One.
just give
Go on,
one more.
yeah.
Go on, so.
I never even teach you how to. You don't know about stealing. That's stealing.
No, sir. Later, daddy, man. Later. Make some juice.
Well, I tell you, man, what me grow.
I can go here now.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about something still, you know?
Yeah.
All right. Here what happened? Me have a little, suggestions. My son, you know my son, right? Well, I hear about my son, at least. You probably don't know my son, but...
Jason.
Right, Well, all right. I tell you, say, Lord, move in mysterious ways because I can't get a second work. Because him just come to me and tell me, say, him looking at gardener. And right away, it just pop up in my head, so,
Well, Pastor Clark, the second work, they would have really do me well, Pastor Clark. Me not tell no lie.
Yeah, man. I mean, more finance, the better. I mean, what's better than that? And, so let's go through and, your work already and so forth, so.
Because me not tell no lie, no, Pastor. From the other day, me notice after Mary come from prayer meeting, she not giving nothing again. No, she always tired. It's been a while now since we even had any marital intercourse.
So hold on, son. She's holding out on you?
Pastor, I truly even know. I truly even know. I truly me have to stand up in a marriage. But me I wonder if me get that second work, me can actually buy her something nice. If it's sweet her up.
Yeah.
Like, if it's
But you do that. But what I don't understand is that she's not warming up to you. I mean, you can't talk to me, no, man. I'm the pastor.
All right, Pastor. Me I tell the Pastor, me not getting nothing at all.
So what you think cause that now? You sure it's not you?
Me no know, and me work every day. As I can say, me work every day.
So what you say I can do now? What can I do for you now?
Why, Pastor? Me no know. Me try everything for make this marriage work, Try everything. Mary no short no and nothing, Pastor. Me ensure say Mary good. But when it comes to night time, Mary tired, me can't get nothing.
Why is she not warming up to you? I don't understand.
Why, Pastor? Me no know. Just see if you can talk to her for me and see if you can get nothing out of her. And
Yeah, man. Don't worry. Remember, son. Have faith and be faithful. All right?
why, Pastor?
I will have a talk with her and I will see what happens. I say, well, how I can assist.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, man. I appreciate it, man.
So anyway, as I said before, I'll contact you where to go because my son, him seriously need a gardener. All right? And don't worry because, I have to pay you. He has to pay you.
All right.
And you have, yeah. Me see upon
Pastor,
the,
appreciate it, man.
me see upon the camera and the whole mango them still, so.
But
It's all right. Don't worry, say, better than you eat them than them.
Miss Clark really take them, feed them to the pig, That I really. So nothing wrong if me eat too.
No, but it's all right. I don't have a problem, man. Just eat as you can. Don't worry yourself. All right, so take care, yeah?
Yeah, man, respectable man.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself.
Pastor,
I appreciate.
I even know my rating.
No, but don't make it look so bad, man. Don't make it look so bad. I appreciate it. All right?
All right.
Thanks very much, son. I'll see you soon. All right? Cool.
All right, so you, Mr. Gardner, tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Donovan. And my profession is to water the garden, lay the pipe, you know, any of those works, hard work. Yeah.
Okay, I see. How long have you been a gardener?
Well, this is something I get from my grandfather, you know. Growing up, he was a very good gardener.
Yeah.
So I got the skill from him, and you know, I'm very good with my hands and so on. So I'm very quite experienced, man.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a gardener?
I mean, me not go over exaggerating, but I mean, I'm a solid 8. Huh? Solidly 8.
Okay, I see. All right, why do you want to work here?
I was working at the hotel, you know, and because of job cuts and them lay us off, so I was at the church on Sunday and pastor tell me that you needed somebody to garden the place. And I think I fit the job.
Okay, what church you go to?
Um, the Seventh-day Adventist Pentecostal.
All right, I see.
Yep.
How long you were working at the hotel?
I was there with them for 8 years, you know.
Okay.
8 years.
Are you any sort of drug addict, alcoholic? Like, do you drink? Do you smoke?
Lightly.
Likely, what do you mean likely?
I don't do it on the job. Let's just say that. I don't do it on the job. When I'm doing the job, I just focus on watering the garden and laying the pipe, you know? That's just my duty. And any other thing you need personally.
Okay, so based on our conversation, it appears that you are only a professional in laying pipes and watering garden.
I mean,
That's all you do?
I wouldn't just say that, you know, like, I don't just limit myself, but I'm the type of person that when I plant a seed, I like to see it grow and blossom. You know, I like the process of watering it, watching it grow. Yeah?
Okay, I see. A point to note though, while working around here, ensure that you pay keen attention to your job at hand because things can be very sticky. And whatever you see here, you let it stay here. Whatever you do here, you do it here and here only. Just in case, mind you, you're not yet employed. Okay?
Anything, me take it to my grave. Anything happen, me know say me can't keep a secret.
All right, and here is your contract. You can sign it. After you sign, we'll decide whether or not you'll stay. Over to you, ma'am. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Chantal.
Say again.
I'm Chantal.
Your name is Chantal?
Right. And I'm here to do housekeeping.
Housekeeping.
Yes, so
What's your last name, Chantal?
Wills.
Say again.
Wilson.
Wilson? Awesome. You have a very unique last name. All right, tell me about yourself. As I said, let me know what's up with you.
Well, as I said before, I'm here to do housekeeping work with your fatherland. Work for me to do because I'm the person that mostly do the cooking and the cleaning at church. I guess that's why he recommended me for this job.
Okay, awesome. How long have you been doing housekeeping?
All my life, because from a younger age, me I do cleaning, cooking.
Okay. So you're a very good cook.
Very good.
So you do not just tidy around the house, you cook and you...
I cook, I do the laundries, I press, and I make sure the place is clean.
Okay, awesome. All right, how old are you?
36.
36. Why do you want to work here?
As I said before, your father-in-law knows that I'm the best. That's why you recommend me to this job.
Okay, how long do you know my father-in-law?
From a child.
Okay, so that means you know my husband.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. All right, here's the contract. You can read through it, and after you're through reading, you will sign.
All right, thank you.
Now, basically, I have decided to hire you both. All right. In the contract, you will see your salary. We pay on a weekly basis, and it will come directly to your bank accounts. Now, at the back of the paper, you will find a form where you will need to fill out your banking information.
Well, me no bank account, you know.
Say again?
I don't have any bank account.
All right, so because you don't have a bank account, what I will do is I will prepare a job letter for you that you can take to the bank. All right, after you take the job letter to the bank, they will give you a form to fill out, and they will automatically have you open an account with them so you can get your salary. After you do have your banking details, then you can take it to me, and I will have you added to my bank account so you can get your weekly salary. Okay? You're through? Okay. I realize that you took so long to fill out the form. Can you read?
Well, to be honest, I can read, you know, but I just have to take my time.
Okay.
I like to take my time. I don't like to rush and do anything, you know?
Okay.
I'm a very patient man, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So basically, you're both instant hired. All right. Before I go any further, though, I'm going to introduce you to my daughter. She's my amazing one. She's my entire world. She's my heart in human form. Yes. Alora, come here, baby.
Okay.
All right. So here we have the gardener. All right. This is the
Hi,
gardener.
princess.
All right. So that's Chantal Wilson. She's going to be the housekeeper. She's going to be cooking for you too. All right.
But mommy, I hope she's not the other one that can cook.
Oh no, I don't think she's like the other housekeeper.
No, baby, I can actually cook very well, so don't worry.
All right, go inside. Go and get a slipper because we're gonna go on the road. All right. All right. No. Ensure that none of you make her feel uncomfortable around the house. All right. This house belongs to her. And the point to note, especially for you, Miss Housekeeper, whatever you see in this house, you let it stay in this house. No little gossip talks like any gossip girls around the house or when you leave here. Your job is important, and it is very vital that you leave everything here. The same way you come, the same way you may go. And note this as well. No frolicking or mimicking around the house. Okay?
Okay.
Also, my husband is off limits. If you need anything, you come directly to me.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll be going on the road now. Make yourselves comfortable. And whatever it is that you will need, ensure that you come to me. And I will be your best friend. All right?
Okay.
So, Mr. Gardener, you do what a gardener do. Your job begins now.
Good evening.
Evelyn.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Wait, 1 second.
Never really get a name, you know.
Chantel.
Chantel.
Yeah.
I'm Donovan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
You look nice though, Chantel.
Thank you.
You look like you use your baby oil and them something and rub down your body, eh?
Where is this conversation going? May I help you with something else other than the water?
I mean, you can help with something else, yes?
And what's that?
But I don't want to get myself in any problems or anything.
Whatever it is that you're up to, I'm not interested.
What did you hear what me up to yet?
I don't want to hear because I don't know where you're going with this, but it looks like it's somewhere that I don't want to be.
Well, I don't want to get myself in any problem, you know.
Like how?
Like with your man, them.
Oh, Lord. Mom and them.
So you try to tell me say you don't have no man?
Sir, as I said before, I'm not interested. I'm a married woman, okay?
Well, you're not married.
Well, you know that.
Come on, there's no ring by your finger.
And the ring doesn't say that you're married or you're not married.
Says what kind of relationship that?
I don't want to be rude, but I'm just not interested, okay? Please, not interested.
You not want to get to know me a little bit?
No.
All right, thank you for the water here.
You're so welcome. May I have the glass?
You know, no juice right now?
No, darling. I don't have any juice. I only have the juice, Mrs. Clark and Mrs. Clark juice, and I can't give it away.
Mr. Clark, drink beer, man. Just give me some of the alcohol on my wine at the bottom. This.
Mr. Say you come for me lose my work, don't it?
I come to get to know you, but yeah, give me a warm time. I'm just going to finish doing my job here.
All right.
But we can.
And I will finish mine.
All right.
Have a lovely day, okay?
You too.
I will.
Remember, you know, anything you see around here, you know, just leave people business alone because it's around you, so. You don't really want to get yourself. You don't really want to go sit too much or go say too much.
As long as it don't concern me, I don't care.
All right.
Okay?
May I look out for you, you know. Chantel.
Okay.
Donovan, right?
Donovan. Have a nice day, Donovan.
All right. Chantal,
What's up?
you tell me. And I am also shy. Huh?
I'm not shy, but you know. How may I help?
Why? More ways than one.
That's like something women I get paid for.
There are no one. Oh, no say so, man. I say so. Why you cooking me?
What do you want?
I would like some fried chicken today. It's so nice and please.
Okay, so that's what I prepare.
And like a dessert, maybe.
Repeat.
Yeah, but when I don't cook, man, when I don't cook.
All right.
God, oh God. But me Chantal,
Yes.
what my wife said to you?
About?
Me don't know. She not give you no little rules or regulation or me don't know.
Your wife said a lot of things. So whatever she says, I can't tell it because she said what I see here, let it stay here.
Then you, of course you let it stay.
And what I hear here, I have to let it stay here. So I can't tell you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But you have to just remember say I'm my boss here.
Okay. So I guess you know everything that she told me.
No, I don't know everything she tell her, but I just tell her say I'm my boss. So anything she said, me can overrule that.
Okay.
Don't worry about she.
All right.
Pay talking that.
Anything else?
Go sit down now. You're not tired.
No?
When you say you're full of energy.
You just asked me to prepare something for you, though. So that's what I'm doing.
Yes, man, but me know from morning you come in and dip on your foot, so I don't know. This man I enjoy my company. You like my company?
Sure.
I mean, a good company, you know. I just seem like a good company too.
You sure you don't want to get me in trouble?
No, me tell you, what kind of trouble?
Your wife?
My wife. My wife alright, man. No, she get you. She knows that me need the company in her house, man.
Actually, your father-in-law, our father-in-law, which is your dad.
See, them a look out for my best interest. So they're nice. Eh?
Your father-in-law is very nice, but I don't know much about your wife.
Me nice too, no?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a chip don't fall far from the block. And me that.
You're so funny.
Hey, you make you laugh.
So what are your rules?
My rules?
Yeah.
Well, you know, you just come in and you just make sure say place in order and food there for me eat and
Okay.
you just make sure say place look nice and clean and my meals them prepared and you just keep on looking nice just the way you are.
Always.
Yeah. Miss Chantal.
Yes.
You know, no little boyfriend or nothing. Nice girl like you have to have one man.
Depends.
Depends. So sometimes I have one man, or sometimes I have one.
You know, uno man stay so we can't uno every minute.
Oh no, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't like how that sound.
I don't want shame. I don't want to tell you say yeah, me have a little man and by the time you look, you see me and ball say as somebody else man. So
No say some man.
of course, it's always like that with you gentlemen.
No man, me different.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
Yeah man. So you're single then?
That depends.
So me say you're single. Yeah?
I did not say yes, I did not say no.
No man, me say you're single. When I worry about nothing else.
All right.
Me know say they say I gonna want you to wear some big clothes in my house and things. So then she there, you can't wear them. So then she left, lose that. Me not want to see none of that.
Okay.
A matter of fact, you don't have to wear nothing when we there. No, that's cool, man. You know, you can get comfortable.
I'm going to prepare your dinner. Okay?
All right, Miss all right. Boy, I feel like a lucky man.
What's that?
Sorry about that, man. They caught me.
Don't let it happen again, Donovan. Here's the pay.
Thank you, Mrs. Johnson.
Donovan, it's actually Mrs. Clark. You keep on calling me Mrs. Johnson.
I should just look like they use Johnson baby oil on your body. You look nice.
Wow.
Or maybe I shouldn't say that. Because you're the boss.
Why you don't button up your shirt?
I mean, the time is hot. I'm just... I don't even like too much clothes.
Oh, wow. Interesting. How long before you finish all this?
How long? We finished, man. I just write a minute of it, man. Do you have anything else you want me to do for you?
Maybe. I have a pipe that I want you to fix. Meet me upstairs.
Even Miss Clark?
It's Mrs. Clark.
Mrs. Clark.
Yeah. You soon finish what you're doing?
Yes.
Alright. After you finish this, you can leave early.
Okay, huh?
Alright?
Okay, tomorrow.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go home early. Just take time on the road, you know. No transport, no on the road. So you can get a taxi quick. Which I think this is probably you want to pass.
Donovan? Come here, please.
Yeah.
It's Mrs. Clark. Close the door. Oh, I have to get the keys.
So which one I find this stuff?
I have to get the key to close the door. Donovan, why are you acting so naive?
What do you mean, Miss Clark? You tell me say you want the pipe to fix, or the pipe will come to fix.
I don't have any pipe in the kitchen to fix. What's up with you?
I'm good, you know, man. I'm just having a day. I just feel tired, man.
So you're acting naive and you're acting blind. You want to tell me that you don't see all that's in front of you?
Miss Clark.
Mrs. Clark.
Mrs. Clark.
Donovan.
I don't want to get myself in any trouble, you know.
What do you mean?
I don't. Mrs. Clark, you sure about this?
Sure than sure, Donovan.
I like what I see still.
How about getting a shower?
You wanna join me?
If I must.
Listen, I can get one of Mr. Clark shirt them.
Never felt time like I do now. I never wanted it so much to stay. I never knew love before you, and now I'm trying to hold on in every way. When I'm scared, you bring me courage.
Night, baby.
Huh?
What are you in the house?
What?
Wake up, man. Please get up. Why are you so tired?
That's my just put in my best work.
You need a second round.
Second?
Yes.
And no, no, no.
That's why you should have came go 2 round, 3 round.
I'm happy right now. Woo.
Come on, babes.
Beer.
Yes.
No.
Nobody in the day here.
You must say, yeah, man, I'm not doing.
Yeah, I'm outside. Him like the girl next door, same day at the fence with the girl. Him not compare for him.
That feel like a dream a while ago, you know. Why you're bad man, I can do your thing, man.
Make we make it a reality again.
Make it a...
Yeah.
Yes, man, tomorrow again, man. Tomorrow again. Me tired, man. Oh gosh, man. You have to take time with the old boy, you know.
It's so easy to tired.
Oh, man, I give him a little time, man. Old boy needing rest, you know. Me a good girl. Oh gosh, man. That best thing ever happened to me, you know.
Prove it,
Eh? No, just prove it. I want to go.
So, how was school today?
It was great.
What did you do?
I learned about math.
And you're a lover of maths. You're good at maths. And you're great at exercise. Good girl, I five. As long as you make your mommy and daddy proud, okay? That's all that matters.
Laura,
Yes, Daddy?
come here. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to go inside and get some water for me, alright? Okay. Miss Chantel,
Hi. What's up?
you tell me.
So, me just had to do some laundry.
Okay. Miss Chantel, me not like how me see any grounds man at talk up, you know.
Come on, he's not my type. I don't even like the guy.
He's not your type, but
No.
you are his type. Yeah, smile up. Me not like that, you know. Me not like that guy look like you know something.
Me and the guy not in a note, I already tell you, the guy is not my type. What wrong with you?
Hey, remember saying, you know, him a Miss Clark kind of close, you know. So him probably a can use back and forth and we can't trust him. I have to trust you, you know.
I don't trust him either.
Okay. So I have to trust you.
Talking about that and talking about this, when are you going to leave that lady of yours?
I'm not gonna leave her, man.
When?
I soon leave her. You have to give me a little time, man. Remember, say, I can't just up and do so, you know. I'm a whole heap at stake, man.
All the time you tell me that, but it no sound sincere.
No, man, no. You have to give a little time. A little bit of time. Just a little patience. You have a little patience, no, man.
Okay.
Eh? Little bit of patience, man.
So what you up to?
Me there, I watch you. Watch me, I watch you, you know. Me, I watch you 2 hours, you know. You more than more. Come here for watch you a little more.
But you don't have to worry about him, as I said. Don't like him like that.
But look, you can continue hang out the clothes them, come on, watch you hang them out a little bit more, you know?
You know, you like some in the out.
Mm-hmm. Later, me want to hang you up.
You know me like that, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
And make sure you know tell me boy you can't come.
Eh? No, I will be coming, don't worry yourself. Father, see and know. Amen. Hallelujah, sister. Take your time.
Yes.
So, the Lord is good.
All the time.
Good evening, Miss Chantel.
Evening.
I notice, you know.
What?
I notice you.
Notice what?
You think me not notice? Anytime me I say nothing to you, you know, man. You go on like I say, you know, man, you hold you know, man, and you don't want to take no talk from me, you know. But anytime Miss Clark not there, we notice a be a little tights and short up sitting in her rear when Mr. Clark one day.
Leave people business alone. I sure know say and the first thing that you learn the day upon the interview. Where you see, leave it alone and your business. Me see you too, you know. You think me not see you?
The business will come out of yard, you know. And me here talk. You see me? But what me I try to tell you say is you come here people in place and you see. Remember you know. I don't want me rate you and respect you. And I don't want you getting no problem. You understand? You can't make because you come and married people in place, you go take up a married man. Taking up married man is not a good thing, you know.
Or you for judge me when me see you with my two eye with the woman. You're such a hypocrite. Hello? You know, none if you stay. Leave people business alone and mind your own.
Alright, I just tell you say be careful.
Come on, why you walk and watch me when you see the man pass? Where you watch me for?
Alright.
I stop here one, stop my little phone, I'm not try to stop yours.
See Miss Clark there. Look come on. Can't say me never want him. Here?
Leave people business alone. Can't say me never want you. Remember, say me see you. If I see me and the man together yet, never. You know, if that man come talk to me about him dinner, you always have a problem. You just watch and a peep. So leave me alone, man.
Alright. Alright, Miss Chantal, just big up yourself here.
You too.
When you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything that I am. That I am. That I am. 'Cause when you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold